Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I want to wish everybody a happy Easter. Guys, again, thank you for tuning in. You can probably tell this is a Tablescape collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Kale of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Again, it's the lovely Kale of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Also, her co-host is Tammy Thompson, and her channel is Tammy Thompson-TVMG. Now, I don't know if you subscribe to their channels, but if you don't, please go over and show them some love and make sure that you tell them that Candy sent you. And of course, I'll leave links to both of their channels down in the description box. Now, the collab again is Let's Make Lemonade. And the hashtag is Let's Make Lemonade Tablescape 20. Now, the colors we were to use for this one, yellow, white, and green. Items, we were to have lemons and on our table, or incorporate lemons, and also use lemon dishes if we had them. Now, I don't have lemon dishes, so I wasn't able to do that. Also, food or drink was optional, and if we wanted to, we could include lemonade and some sort of lemon dessert. You'll see that I didn't do that either, but of course I did stick with the color theme, which is the yellow, white, and green, and I do have my lemons incorporated into my tablescape. So again, guys, I'm going to be quiet and let you go ahead and enjoy the tablescape. Remember, I welcome all of your comments, and I hope that if you like this video, you will like, comment, share, and if you're not a member of this channel, I really hope you'll hit that subscription button today and also click the notifications bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So again, please go over and visit Kale of If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, and also Tammy Thompson, and that's Tammy Thompson-TVMG. And also make sure that you click that playlist and view. There's probably going to be tons of participants in this, and you want to make sure that you check out all the other videos and see what the other creators have put together, for this collaboration. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to watch till the end. Bye-bye.